The Sloth Who Slowed Us Down by Margaret Wilde, illustrated by Vivian Tu. Amy's family was the speediest family in the world. They walked fast, drove fast, shopped fast, and ate fast. There was never any time to talk or play or laugh or laze. Until the afternoon, Amy brought a sloth home to stay.
"Where on earth did you find him?"
Dad asked. "Hanging from a tree in the park," Amy said, plucking one beetle and two moths from his fur. Mom shuddered. "He needs a bath," she said. Sloth shook his head. "Very, very slowly," because sloths do everything slowly. "Right away," said Mom. "I have to warn you, Sloth," Amy whispered. "We are the fastest family in the entire world." Sloth had a long, leisurely bath, with lots of bubbles, a purple duck, and a red boat. He dried himself slowly, combed his fur slowly, admired himself for ages in the mirror, and then crawled down the stairs for dinner. Amy, Mom, and Dad were already sitting at the table.
"Hurry up, buddy,"
said Dad. "Chop, chop," said Mom. "See what I mean, Sloth?" Amy said with a sigh. Sloth ate very, very slowly. He was so slow that Amy had plenty of time to talk about the things that had happened that day. "How amazing!" said Mom.
"I wish I'd been there,"
said Dad. When Sloth had finished helping, very slowly, to do the dishes, Dad said, "There's just enough time for a quick trot around the block before bedtime." But Sloth couldn't trot. He dragged himself along very, very slowly. So slowly that Amy and Mom and Dad had plenty of time to chat with the neighbors, pet a cat, throw a stick for a friendly dog, admire the moon, and try to find the red star. When they got home, Sloth made himself comfortable hanging from a tree in the garden. Amy hugged him good night. "Thank you," she whispered. "This has been the best day of my life." Sloth stayed for 3 glorious weeks. But one morning Sloth moved next door to the new speediest family in the world. "I'll miss him," said Dad. "He's such a restful little fellow. He'll hate it there," Mom said. "That family's always in a rush. They walk fast, drive fast, shop fast, and eat fast." "Oh, Sloth will change all that," Amy said. And he did. Very, very slowly. The end.